We're gonna do some caramelized banana sundae, okay? So let's get this banana caramelized. Get the stove light. Alright, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of sugar in the pot. So we are doing caramelized banana sundae. About 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon I should say, sorry. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoon butter. Let's get that heated. I'm gonna put a cinnamon stick in, give it some flavor. A dash of vanilla, just a dash. And 1 clove. Wow, smells so good. Cut this banana. We're gonna caramelize it 2 minutes on each side. 2 minutes is good enough. So the side we cut down first. Smells great. Let's turn this over. Carefully, we don't want to break it. Alright. Smells awesome. Okay, to save time, I did our ice cream. Wow, let me get this away. Okay, so ice cream is here, and we're going to put the banana in. Smells so good. Gonna sprinkle some nuts. And some sparkle. Put some caramel and some strawberry. Right now we're going to, just a moment. Yeah. Gonna put an umbrella and some more cherries. Right, and that's our caramelized banana split. Perfect for a Sunday evening. So good. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.